Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a little video of me dyeing my hair black with this. The color that I'm using is licorice number 10 or black. Garnier Fructis. And so I don't know, I just got tired of looking at my hair with color in it, so I decided that I was going to dye my hair black. So I'm opening the box, and inside is directions and probably gloves. Some kind of oil, the color cream, what's it, shampoo, probably conditioner, some kind of conditioner, and the developer. So real quick, I don't know. I know that B gotta go into A. This is B. I know that this is definitely gonna have to go into this. But I need to find out what I'm supposed to do with this. Is this before I dye? Does this go on my hair? Does this go inside with this stuff inside the bottle? So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Check that out. So that's my gloves. And let's see. Sponge. All that stuff right there. Put all those in there, shake it up, then apply to your hair. Alright, I'm not gonna read all that. I'm just gonna do my whole head. Beginning at your root area and then all the way to your ends. Leave for 25 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. So I got A. Let's screw the top off. Wow. No smell. Well, there's like a little hint of smell, but it's not nothing strong like what I'm used to when I dye my hair. So let's see. See a line on here. Can I just pop it? So guys, like, I know I've been missing for a good little while. I'm gonna be posting some videos to let you know why. Okay, I'll be right back. I gotta get something to open this up with. Okay, so I'm back. I got some scissors. I've been missing for a good little minute. Actually has just got a job. Well, not just, about 3 months ago maybe. I started working at the post office. Then I was still working at the bakery place, and then, you know, some things happened there. I feel like it was a little bit jealousy and stuff going on. But hey, they wanted to blame it on COVID, and I hadn't worked there in like 2 weeks, 3 weeks or something. I wasn't on the schedule, so the system terminated me. Yeah, that part. That smells good. But yeah, whatever. To each his own, you know. I ain't hurting. I'm working, making money, hella overtime, all that good stuff. So I just took the top off of this, And there's like this little red thing, and it looks like half a, don't know if that's focusing, a twist tie thingy, not a twist tie, a thing to cut the hole in there. So I'm just gonna assume I'm supposed to take this off, because that's a barrier. And I'm just gonna twist the cap back on and open it. But yeah, so I've been working at the post office. Yeah, that worked. Okay, so now it's open. I've been working at the post office as the mailman, you know, during the COVID and political season. It was a lot. It was a lot, I ain't gonna lie. But I actually resigned and took a different position, which is almost the same but got better. It has better, what do you call it, benefits, everything, but it's a drop in pay. But I guess I would make it all back up with the benefits and overtime and all that stuff like that. So I'm probably gonna make a video about that. And so you gotta shake this up. I'll probably make a video about that and let you guys know what's going on with that. If you're interested, what orientation was like, what it was like working as an RCA, all the different animals and stuff that happened that I came across, all that kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna stop talking so y'all can watch and see me shake this up till it gets dark. It's starting to turn. My first time using this. Looks like there's a little cap that I can take off. Yes. And I'm just starting with dirty, dry hair. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and just take off all this stuff. Alright. So I don't really know if y'all can see the color that's in my hair, but I dyed it with some box dye from Dollar Tree about 4 months ago. And it was cute. And my hair was still soft and everything, but like I'm tired of looking at it. It's driving me crazy. It was kind of red. I don't really do red. So here we go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a little bit of grease. I got this from Dollar Tree. I don't know. I'll just be buying anything, you know. And I'm just gonna hit these edges of my skin. Feel free to use Vaseline. That's what I would have been using, but I really don't feel like looking for it. So I'm just gonna use this one. Let's go ahead and put on these gloves. The gloves ain't cheap. You know how you get those cheap plasticky feeling gloves and stuff? I like these. Alright. So I done screwed the cap off. I don't know if you can see that. Whatever. It done fell in the sink now. And I don't know, I'm gonna do a middle part. You see that? Like, under my arms is turning black from this deodorant that I've been using. This one. I don't like that. But I like the deodorant. But I don't like this making my arms black. So I might try a little tutorial for y'all or something. Well, try to see if I can find something that'll make it not be like that. My eyebrows. I have this little thing here. And so I'm just gonna take the top and I'm gonna put it back on the top. If that makes sense. And then I'm gonna pour the dye into the top. Okay. Wish me luck. I've never done this before. And I'm gonna take the brush. And just dip it into the dye. I know I'm not gonna last down my eyebrows that long though. So one side looks really, really good, and the other side is like, I don't know. I'm freaking out now. I'm just gonna leave it alone. Okay. Let's do some cleanup here so my sink doesn't get dirty. And I'll be back in 20 minutes. Hey guys, I'm back, and so it's been 20 minutes. I also just put the satin bunny on top, and I went in with tissue and blotted my eyebrows because they was looking real dark and I was getting freaky scared. So you can see the steam. It's in there. Alright, so I'm gonna hop in the shower. I'm going to put a little water and massage it. See if I can get everything, you know, really nice, because it's really, really dark. It's freaking me out. And then I'm gonna shampoo, like let it run clean, and then condition it with this, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I have finished rinsing it. So what I did was I hopped in the shower, let some water hit it, and then I like shampooed my hair for about a minute or two. Then I rinsed it all out till it ran clear, and I put some conditioner on there and let that sit for about 3 minutes. And I washed my face and, you know, touched up because I already took a shower this morning, but hey, you know, it is what it is. I'm in there, might as well do it again. Did that, and I'm gonna show you the final results. So first, let's look at my eyebrows. To me, they do look a little darker. Not too much, but I can tell the difference. As far as my eyelashes go, they kind of still look the same. And so here's what you've been waiting for. The final product. It's definitely black. I don't see any traces of red at all. Just what it's looking like. My hair feels so good. So very, very good. Probably just gonna let it air dry. Don't really know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Be blessed. Peace. So I started letting the air dry a little bit. And this is how it looks. There's absolutely nothing, no product, nothing on my hair. And it is still so soft. Yes. Yes, Cameron.